Hello! So through this video I'm going to show you how to make the Aria halter neck top that I have on my Etsy. It is my own design and pattern. You can also buy it if you wanted to. If you prefer to watch the video, then that's fine. So all you're going to need is a crochet hook, your cotton yarn. You can use like most yarn sizes, but you have to make sure that you're using the right crochet hook, otherwise it's going to be either gappy or super thick. But you go ahead and choose whatever you want. I have done it with multiple different yarns and it does work, so all you have to do is make sure that it fits you. Just keep trying it on whilst you're going. You will need a weaving needle, some scissors, and that is it. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. So let's get going. It is perfect for the beach. Okay, before we start, just excuse all the noises that's gonna happen in this video because I'm in Mexico outside on my terrace, so it ain't the best place, but it's all I can do. So to begin, we're gonna create a slip knot. So get your yarn and make a cross on your fingers just like that. Bring your hook to the back, bring the back loop under the front and slide off and pull, and that is your slip knot. From here we're going to chain 5. So grab your yarn, pull through, grab your yarn, pull through, 3, 4, 5. You're going to attach your yarn with a slip stitch into the first chain to create a circle. Like this. And there you have your little circle. Yeah, so we're going to be working in there. So the next thing we want to do is chain 4. I'm also looking at my pattern because I don't remember this off by heart. It's been a while since I've done it. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. You want to double crochet into the circle, chain 1, double crochet, oops, and chain 1. And you want to do this 12 times, so you have 12 double crochet, so 11 times. My bad. Once you have your 12 double crochets, you want to connect the round into the third chain we did at the beginning. So insert your hook, wrap around, oh I didn't get it, insert, wrap around and pull through. For the next round you want to slip stitch into the next gap here, the chain 1 gap, just like that. We're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this counts as a double crochet and a chain 2. Now you're going to double crochet into the same gap, chain 2, and double crochet 2 together into the next gap, into the next chain space. So to do that, you wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through 2, and then go back into the same stitch, and then pull through 3, try again. So wrap around, pull into the gap, pull through, wrap around, pull through 2, wrap around, go into the gap, wrap around, pull through 2, pull through 3, chain 2. Okay, now you're going to attach it to the top of the chain that you just did. Okay, round 3, you're going to slip stitch into the first gap, into the chain gap, like we did the previous round. Chain 7, this is going to be your first corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Single crochet into the next chain space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next chain space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next chain space. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next chain space, single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next. Chain 7, single crochet. Chain 3, single crochet. Chain 3, single crochet. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, single crochet. Chain 3, and last chain 3. You're gonna connect your round into the corner of this chain 7 here with a slip stitch, just like that. Okay, round 4. Chain 2. Well, we're gonna chain 3 actually. 1, 2, 3. This counts as your double crochet. Windy. Double crochet 3 into the chain 7 corner space. 1, oops, 2, 3. So you should have 4 double crochets now. Chain 1. Actually, we're going to chain 2 for the corners. Chain 2 and then double crochet 4 more into the same corner space. Just like that. Double crochet into the next single crochet from the previous row from here. Double crochet into the next chain space. We're going to do 3 in here, and then double crochet into the next single crochet. Oh, I missed it. And then 3 double crochet into the next chain space. This is how you're going to repeat it all the way around. So single crochet, double crochet into the single crochet, and when you reach the corner, you're going to double crochet 4, chain 1, double crochet 4 into the same space. Once you reach the end, you're going to attach your yarn to the top of the chain that we did at the beginning with a slip knot. This is your round for round 5. You're going to chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. And you're going to double crochet in the next 3 double crochets from the previous row. Double crochet 2 into the corner space, chain 2, double crochet 2. And then down the next side, you're going to double crochet in each of these stitches. When you get to the corner, double crochet 2, chain 2, double crochet 2. Repeat this all the way around. Once you finish, connect your round to the top of the chain, and you're going to repeat all the way around, but for the corners you're only going to double crochet 1. So begin, chain 3, double crochet up until you reach the corner, double crochet 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, and then repeat all the way around it. So this is going to be your repeating pattern until you reach the width you like. It's just the same over and over again. So from here you're going to be all on your own. There's not much else to say. So once you've reached your length and your width, come back to the video and I will show you how to do the border and these straps. Once you've reached your desired length, you're gonna tie off. Where are my scissors? I'm gonna tie off and we're gonna do the straps. So I'll show you how to do that. So with one point, I'm going to do the sides first. You want to attach your yarn to the corner and attach it with a slip knot. And then chain until you've reached your desired length that you want. For me, I'm going to do a really long one so I can do a crisscross in the back, but you can just do it so it just ties one time. And then then you're going to do the same for the top of the bandana top. So this is your neck piece. You're going to do 1 long chain and 2 long chains until you can wrap it around your neck, but I'll still show you. Once I've done, this is going to take me a while, so I'll come back to you once I've done. And if you really wanted to, you could always single crochet back down the row and connect it to the beginning chain, so you've got a thicker, more sturdier strap. Okay, now I'm doing the top piece. I have done my 2 sides. They are the same length. I did decide to do the chains smaller, not do a crisscross back. So I'm just going to do my neck piece exactly the same. If you wanted to, you can do it in the double crochet on the left and 1 double crochet on the right, and start your chains from there so you have a little gap. Your bandana top done. All you have to do is weave in your ends and you have a lovely summer top. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate the support, and I will have many other tutorials coming and new patterns. I will have my Etsy link in the description. Thank you so much. Thank you.